Russian troops keep on laying ammunition out in the open, resulting as seen here again Ukraine's drone army taking it out, as this time it looks like RPG rockets is left out, letting a high explosive dual purpose grenade with a 3D printed tail fin to destroy a few rockets, but not leading to a chain reaction. With a second grenade hitting the pile of rockets, leading to a fire which results in a bang, destroying more of Russia's resources cheaply due to Russia's poor logistic handling. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.